In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a notebook in NotebookLM. We'll walk through the fastest way from the dashboard and an alternate method if you're already inside a notebook, so you can keep your workspace clean and easy to navigate. Start by opening your browser and heading to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with your Google account to reach the main NotebookLM home screen. This dashboard shows all your notebooks in either a grid or a list, depending on your view. Take a moment to spot the one you want to rename. The current title might read something generic like Untitled Notebook. The quickest way to rename is right from this dashboard. Move your cursor over the notebook's title and click it. You should see the title field become editable. If it doesn't activate on the first click, click it once more to place the text cursor. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear, then press Enter or Return to save. Pressing Enter confirms the change instantly, so you'll see the updated name reflected in your list. If you prefer using menus, look for the three-dot icon next to the notebook on the dashboard. Click it, choose Rename, enter your new title, and confirm. This does the same thing as editing inline, and it's a helpful fallback if the inline text field doesn't engage right away. You can also rename from inside a notebook. Open the notebook you want to update. At the very top of the page, you'll see the current name displayed in the header. Click that title text to switch it into edit mode. Type your new name, then press Enter or Return to save. The header will update immediately, and when you go back to the dashboard, you'll see the new title there as well. Renaming only updates the title. It doesn't alter any of the notes, sources, or responses inside your notebook. Think of it as changing the label on a folder. The new name will be visible wherever that notebook appears in your account, helping everything stay consistent. A few quick tips as you rename. Use clear, descriptive names so you can find content fast. Consider a simple naming pattern, like topic followed by date or version. And remember that pressing Enter is what commits the change. If you collaborate with others, consistent titles make shared work smoother for everyone. That's it. You've learned both the fastest dashboard method and the in-notebook method for renaming in NotebookLM. Rename with confidence and keep your projects neatly organized.